So I'm currently on I'm currently on sales for GBP USD. So obviously I've exited the sales for GBP JPY. Currently on sales on GBP USD. This is the chart on the daily time frame. You can see this big bearish candlestick. So I expect market to just fall down right away. Expect market to fall down right away. If you notice, let me just go back. If you notice, there is a what's it called? If you notice, so I think I will draw it on the there's support and resistance on this zone. This one here has a somewhat support and resistance level. Yeah, this level it has a support and resistance level, so that's what I'm banking on. So the market can fall. Well, on the intra session time frame, this is it. So hopefully we get a green. So this is the setup. This is the trade currently running. This is the trade currently running, and this was the loss we took after going one to one in our direction. We ended up with a loss again. That is very very annoying. So this is the GJ. It has still not hit stop loss. GJ has still not hit stop loss yet, so I'm out of the trade. Meanwhile, if I show you, you look at USD JPY, this USD JPY. Obviously, on the USD JPY on the higher time frame daily, I expect it to go bullish, but I don't want to go against here. I don't want to go against. I don't want to be buying into this resistance. You get? I don't want to be buying into this resistance. If not, that is a perfect entry. This is a perfect stop loss here, but I don't want to buy into because even the 5 minutes, obviously, as nice as the 5 minutes has done is wow. So what it did here? What the market did here? Give me a moment. Let me just put it on lock first. So what the market did here? What the market did here, as you can see. Yeah, 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 yeah. So all the stuff the market did here, and still all the stuff the market did there. So I expect the market to do it again. So probably as market has gone wherever it wants to go, so I might expect it to come this area exactly. A bigger move then I consider buying it. But for now, I don't fancy I don't fancy UJ. I don't fancy UJ action. So I don't fancy UJ action for now. This is GBP. For now, I don't fancy UJ action, so I'll just keep holding my GU sales. Okay, we're currently on blues for now. Keep holding my GU sales. This is This is it. Minus 37. That's what? Minus 37. Wow. I mean, this is the setup. Minus 50, 65. Wow. Don't know this, how these guys are calculating the market, but this is it. Peace out.